Okay, so we're doing compound area, and compound just means that there's like two shapes put together. So if we're looking at this, you have a practice quiz today. You can take it up to 3 times, but it's just 4 problems of like what we're doing right now. So just 4 practice problems. And then after that, you have a real quiz, but that goes with what we were just saying. Like, hey, let's say you failed it, email me. You and I are going to talk about what you missed, then you can take it again. So it should be a pretty good system, I think.
Okay.
So look at example 1, even though it says 5, because I'm the genie. Do you guys see how it's a triangle and a half a circle?
Yes.
Yeah. So like here's the triangle, and then here's the half the circle. We know how to find the area of both those things, right?
Yeah.
Yes, but we don't know the base. So we need to find that.
You're right, Trent. You're totally right. We can actually figure it out, though, based on what's in this picture. So if you're looking at it, you guys okay that the total area of this would be the area of the triangle plus the area of half a circle?
Yeah.
Yes.
So I like to start with like the basic level so you kind of know what you need to plug in and you're not going to forget your parts. Let's look here. Let's do the circle first. What's our formula for the area of a circle? Do you know that off the top of your head?
Wait, is it the
No. Don't
pi
know.
r squared?
Yes, good job, Kira.
Oh, good job.
Hey, and you guys have your formula sheet or you have Google. So literally, like, don't feel bad if you don't know it. You just got to make sure you're using your resources and know where to find it and stuff like that. So I have the formula sheet linked here too if you want to click it and open it. I don't know if you can click it from my screen. Interesting.
No, we can't click it on your screen.
Okay.
I tried to, and it definitely did not work.
Okay, well, it's the same one that's linked in your notes from like the previous sections, and I linked it again in your lesson for today, so you're gonna be fine.
Okay.
But it's got all the stuff on it. And then we know triangle. You guys okay that a triangle is 1/2 base times height?
Yep.
Yeah.
So as always, I'm starting on like a really general level and then plugging in the parts that I know. So let's do our circle first. Trent, what do you think our radius of our circle is?
2 feet.
Good. So our radius is 2 feet. So you okay if I plug this in? I have pi r times 2 squared.
Yes.
Yep.
Okay, so now it's easier than what I thought. I was just having a brain fart, I guess.
No, it's okay. What are you thinking now, Trent?
Now the base for the triangle is 4 feet.
Very good. Kira, do you see why?
Yeah, because it's half of the with the circle, yeah.
Yeah, because the radius is 2. So if I kind of double that radius, I'm going to get 4. And then it says the height is 3. All you're doing is plugging in things there, guys. I do believe on your Canvas practice quiz, it says round it to 2 decimal places. So you okay? This is 12. 4 and 3 is 12. Half of 12 is going to be 6. So I have 6 plus, let's just do this. We know this is 4, right?
Yeah.
4 divided by 2. I'm just going to put 6 plus 2 pi. And that's what I'm going to type in on my calculator. I just did a little bit of the easy simplification first. And if I do 6 plus 2 pi, you okay with 12.28?
I put in the whole problem above the part that you chose to put in the calculator.
Oh, yeah, you still got the same thing, right?
I got 12 pi.
Oh, you.
But let me. Yeah, I don't know what I did wrong.
My guess is you type it in just like this where the arrows are, Trent.
Let me see if this is a plus.
Check. It
no, I think this is a
put a times in
multiplication.
the middle. Yeah, that would be why.
Yeah, that's why. Enter 12.2831. Yep.
Perfect.
Okay.
So that's the first one. So that's going to be like, there's kind of 2 categories for compound area. The first one is where you're adding the parts, because we know the whole thing right here, this whole shape is made up of both parts. So all we're going to do there is just add them together. That's the first part of your notes today.
Yeah, I didn't know you could put the formulas together and it'd be a lot easier.
Oh, God, yes. Yeah, because we don't really know how to find like the formula for an ice cream cone on its own. So we want to divide it into like parts that we know and make it easy. And then like it's actually not bad, like you said.
Good.
Okay, second one is going to be same concept, except now instead of adding, we're going to be subtracting. So it says right here, we're kind of looking at the definitions I have typed in. It says, think of these as a shape taken out of another shape. So see how there's like a triangle taken out of the circle? So your general formula, we want to find the shaded area. You okay that our general formula would be the total area of the shaded would be the circle minus the triangle.
Yeah.
Can you guys kind of see what's left then? If I have that, if I start with that circle and I take out that white triangle, can you see what's left is just the shaded part? That's all we're doing. So same strategy. You just got to kind of decide if you want to add up the two shapes. It could be 3, I'm just warning you, or subtract the two shapes. What was that?
Subtract.
Yeah, we're going to subtract one for sure.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do circle. What's the area of a circle? We just had it above, so we can go back and look.
Pi r squared.
Good.
Yeah,
And
pi
we
r
have a
squared.
full circle here, right? So I'm going to just do pi r squared. And then we still know our triangle is 1/2 base times height. All we got to do is plug it in. So what do you guys see? What is the base, or sorry, what is the radius of our circle?
17 inches.
Yeah, good, guys. So we're going to have 17 squared pi minus 1/2 times, what's the base of our triangle? It's tricky.
Here, I got it. 32 inches.
Good. So, Kira, you see how you just doubled it?
Yeah.
Okay, and then the height is easy. That's going to be 31. And yeah, Trent, you're right. I would just type it all in one step on your calculator. Kira, do you have a calculator at home with you, my dear?
Yeah, it's just like all the way across my room.
Oh, yeah, no, I just want to make sure you have one, because if I was going to give you tips if you are just using your phone, it's a little bit of a different game.
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys okay with 411.92 here? And then it's area.
Yep, 411.92.
Yep.